world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this microphone extension cord for your amateur radio. Basically what this does is you can plug it into your mic jack on your amateur radio, like here, and then plug it in the other end into your microphone and essentially use it as an extension cord. So you can effectively have your microphone able to talk a very slightly further away distance from your microphone using this. And there's not much else to say about it other than that. I just thought I'd show this to you. But one thing to be certain of, you have to make sure you get one that has the correct number of pins for your microphone jack on your radio. But other than that, it's a useful tool for, if you're sitting at a desk and you want to have a little more wiggle room. So, that's about it for this video. You can still use the PTT button on your microphone. It'll still work the exact same way it did before. So that's about it for this video. If you did, hope you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.